My name is Eduardo Rios Pulgar. I'm a music journalist based in Brooklyn, and I'm about to take you by the hand across my home's musical underworld. Market Hotel is right off Myrtle Broadway on the JMZ. It used to be an old punk house, and now it's become this grimy, incredible DIY venue. I saw Julian Casablancas play here, Las Rosas, Deli Girls, you name it. The whole expanse of indie rock has passed through this oddly shaped hall and made mosh pits happen.
This is like one of my favorite venues, because it's like not sterile, just like and chill, but also safe and like really good community. And they're really nice to the performers and the friends that are raging in the pit. And it's just like a tiny corner, and then the train rushes by and you're like, "Wah!" And then there's like a sea of people freaking out.
Yeah.
So it's lots of fun, more fun. Yeah, we definitely started here. I was like 21, like, screaming a ton, like crying, like, what the going on? And New York was like, it was a place where I felt super alive. I feel like people still make space for like people to scream and let out their angst and stuff. Have you heard of that? Smoking's really bad for you.
Right.
Hi, my name is Mo, and I'm a local indie rock show promoter. Market Hotel was totally illegal, and then it got very shut down by the police. The people who involved worked on it for 2 to 3 years before they could reopen again. So it was really exciting when Market Hotel came back. And they almost didn't even come back at all. There was a point when they reopened, and then they weren't allowed to do shows. So it makes going to a show there really special, because every time you're there, you're really conscious of the fact that it almost didn't happen at all.
I think Market Hotel is totally legit venue. It understands what DIY is. Not all venue can say that today. And it served the purpose of what this venue was being brought up for, because this is like a DIY punk house. It was literally a house people used to live in.
Yeah.
Produce a bunch of awesome musicians come out here.
Basic slogans to combat control.
As a band that's like playing in these venues, like what responsibility do the bands have?
It's hard to critique something as you're doing it without seeming cynical and like up your own but also to not say anything is detrimental to your idea of your position. There's no right answer, but it is like a material condition of capitalism. That is the larger fight. As artists, I think it's important to have a very strong idea of post-capitalist world. That's something that you can do that is beneficial towards the issue of gentrification.
Moshing is my favorite part of going to punk shows. It's that feeling of anonymity that makes wandering New York so delicious, but much sweatier. I don't suggest moshing in fur, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.